Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Jeep JK headlights. First, gather your essential tools: a Torx T15 screwdriver and a reliable measuring tape. Next, park your Jeep on a perfectly level surface, ensuring it's exactly 25 feet from a flat wall. Before you begin any adjustments, double-check that your tire pressure is correctly set, as this small detail significantly impacts the accuracy of your headlight alignment. Proper preparation is key for a successful outcome. Now, let's prepare your target on the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your Jeep's headlights and mark a horizontal line at that height. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights and draw two vertical lines on the wall, 42 inches apart, centered with your Jeep. Finally, turn on your low beams to observe their current pattern against your new marks. It's time to adjust the beams. On each headlight bezel, you'll find 3 Torx T15 screws. Focus on the top screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Your goal is to align the top edge of the low beam's cutoff with the horizontal line you marked on the wall. Make small, precise adjustments to achieve the correct height. After adjusting, step back and verify that both headlights are perfectly aligned to your marked lines. Take your Jeep for a short drive to confirm the new alignment feels right and provides optimal visibility. Don't forget to test your high beams as well, ensuring they function correctly and illuminate the road as expected. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.